Welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Saturday, April 13th. We'll take a look at the water vapor satellite imagery for this morning. We do have a ridge of high pressure that is building across the region today. There's a chance for some lingering showers from yesterday's system to continue to impact portions of the eastern highlands through today. And we're also seeing some pockets of fog across the region this morning with some reduced visibilities across the Arco Desert and Interstates 15 and 84 south of the Snake Plain. I'd like to draw your attention to this feature out in the Pacific. This will be the next one to impact the region, and that'll actually arrive during the night tonight into the Central Mountains and spread across the region on Sunday. We'll take a look at the precipitation chances for the region for Sunday, and you can see that the precipitation is pretty well targeting most of the higher elevations across the Central Mountains and the Eastern Highlands. This one is packing a little bit of a punch, so there's a little bit of a moisture stream with it. So you can see these expected rainfall totals for the Sunday through Monday time frame associated with this first system. Most of this precipitation is expected to fall in the form of rain, with snow levels ranging between 6,000 and 7,000 feet for this event for this area. And most of this should reach the valley floors up in the Central Mountains. And of course, with the snow levels in that 6,000 foot range, the Snake Plain is expected to see all rain. And here is the snow totals associated with that precipitation. So you're seeing, again, the highest snow totals in the highest elevations of the Sawtooths and parts of the Eastern Highlands here with Emigration, Border, Summit, and Pine Creek Pass, the areas most likely impacted with some heavier snow totals through the 48-hour time period. Along with this system, we're expecting a good punch of wind to come through behind the cold front, so winds on Sunday afternoon are expected to gust pretty high into the 35 to 45 mile per hour range. Fortunately, with the wet system, we aren't expecting a whole lot of visibility issues, but we are getting into that time of year where we're starting to see some agricultural activity take place. So this area would be the region to watch across the US 20 and 26 through the Snake Plain and the Interstate 15 area north of Idaho Falls. Now we'll head back to the water vapor imagery because I'd like to draw your attention to this second storm well out into the Pacific, and it's going to be moving pretty quickly, and it'll arrive here Sunday night into the Monday time frame. And as that shifts across the region, here's the liquid precipitation totals for Monday night through Tuesday. And this system actually is going to linger a while. It'll amplify as it works through the region. So it's not going to get past us until during the day on Wednesday. These precipitation totals only go out through Tuesday at the moment. The snow totals associated with that, again, are targeting the higher elevations, with much of the lower elevations receiving just rain. But let's draw your attention back to the liquid precipitation amounts for both Sunday and Monday. And then again in the late Monday through Tuesday time frame. And you can see that we're looking at somewhere in the half inch to close to 2 inch range. So over the next several days, starting tonight and continuing through midweek, we're looking at quite a bit of precipitation across the region. And we do have some hydrologic concerns. It seems like we still have quite a bit of room left in our main stem rivers, such as the Snake. But with the warm temperatures and this precipitation, particularly for the Southeast Highlands, we may be looking at a resurgence of a river response, particularly through the Portneuf basin, as we head into the mid to latter parts of the week, as well as the rain on top of the snow and the snowmelt that we're still seeing for this time of year. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on the hydrologic situation as we head into the week. And that'll do it for the briefing today. Again, we'll just summarize quickly. We've got high pressure today with a few minor lingering effects from the prior storm. But starting tonight and continuing well into midweek, we're looking at ample precipitation returning to the region. If you have additional questions, please go ahead and call us on the screen at the number on the screen. And if you have comments or feedback about the content or delivery of this briefing, please feel free to drop our webmaster an email. Thank you for joining us today.